You just can't simply drink ocean's water, it's very salty. I am sure while taking a dive into the ocean, you must have got a little taste of salty water. It must have make you wonder who have added so much salt into the ocean's water. In today's episode and the new playlist of Strange Reality, we will find an answer to this that why is the ocean water salty? Watch the video till end and please hit the subscribe button if you came first time on our channel. The world is surrounded by water everywhere. In fact, the ocean covers 70% of Earth's surface. But the drinking water is very less in numbers. It is only 0.3% and 99.7% is covered by ocean's water. If the ocean's water is not salty, then we don't have to worry about the drinking water. However, salt in the water comes from two main sources. Number one, it just ran off from the land everywhere and opening in the seafloor in deep ocean. Whenever there is a rain comes and drops through the air, it collects carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and turns fresh water slightly acidic in nature. Once the acidic water meets the land surface, it picks up small amount of salt and makes the ocean salty. After all this rain process, still the water is fresh and drinkable. However, when the rainwater mixes with the ocean water, it releases calcium through a biological process. But the salt still remains there and made the water undrinkable and salty. When the ocean water gets into the crack of seafloor, it gets heated from the earth's core. The water tends to lose oxygen, magnesium and sulfate and pick metals such as iron, zinc and copper from the rocks. The heated water released through the vents in the seafloor, and yet the ocean water tends to be salty. But you must be thinking why our rivers and lakes are not salty. Actually, they also carry some amount of salt in them, but as they are continuously flowing, it's hard for the salt to get carried away into the ocean. But the salted water is home to many aquatic animals, plants, and corals, and plays a massive role in the existence of our earth. So, it is our responsibility to keep our ocean and other water bodies clean and free from every pollution. Did you know the two common minerals present in the seawater is sodium and chloride, which tends to make sodium chloride, which is also called as salt, and hence it makes our ocean salty. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. Hit subscribe button to get more facts like this. Thank you.